Isikhungo esibhekele ubuqotho bezivivinyo kaMatikuletsheni uMalusi sithi ke seyingadedelwa imiphumela kaMatikuletsheni. Azikho izingqinamba ezibekhona ezifaka phakathi ukuputshuka kwamaphepha kanye nokukopela kwabafundi. Yize kunjalo uMalusi ukhathazekile ngokwehla kwesibalo sabafundi abebebhala izibalo.
Unyaka owedlule kube unyaka obungenazo ihibe nokuyinto ebingaphazamisa ubuqotho bezivivinyo kaMatikuletsheni. Zikhona ke ezinye igameke eziseceleni ezifana nokungethembeki, uhlelo lokucisha kogesi ngenhloso yokonga kanye nembhikisho.
When you look at the whole process from the time when the papers are printed to the time when they are packaged and distributed to different centers, it is a massive operation, and we have to actually appreciate the efforts of everybody involved in the process.
uMalusi uhlolisise amabhodi amahlanu abhekele ukubhalwa kwezivivinyo okufaka phakathi Independent Examination Board, South African Comprehensive Assessment Institute kanye nomnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo.
We remain concerned about the slow progress with the revision of the curricula and the need to improve the management of assessments and examinations conducted especially at private colleges.
Kodwa ke inhlangano iSocial Justice ithi kumele libe lodwa ibhodi lezivivinyo kaMatric kunalawa amahlanu akhona.
Universities actually prefer to start with the IEB learners first, and thereafter, in as far as admission, they will admit the IEB learners first, and thereafter they will consider your DBE and other students.
Umnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo ujabule ngokuthi ayibanga khona izihibe.
It shows that in the past few years the security arrangements around the storage of question papers, as well as the appointment of markers, but also just the commitment and shared dedication of officials that are involved in the examination system is something that must also be given some credibility.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uMalusi uzodedela imiphumela kaMatric ngoLwesibili.